Every morning across Britain, millions reach for the same iconic refreshment. From busy offices to quiet moments, it fuels daily life.
Paired perfectly with fast food, it's a global habit. From family meals to celebrations, it's always present. That signature fizz has become unforgettable. Found in every major restaurant around the world.
And stocked in nearly every store you visit.
From street corners to luxury dining.
Day or night, it's always in demand.
But have you ever wondered how billions of these bottles are made every single day?
It all begins inside a billion-dollar mega factory.
Ingredients arrive in massive quantities.
Tons of sugar flow into production.
Water is purified to perfection.
Welcome to the world of civilization.
Quality is checked at every step.
The secret concentrate remains protected.
Mixing tanks prepare for action.
Heat activates the blending process.
Precision here determines the taste you love worldwide.
The syrup begins its transformation.
Ingredients combine under strict control.
Machines measure every drop.
Technology ensures perfection.
The iconic color finally appears. Pressure enhances the blend.
Control, confirm line status.
Operators oversee everything. Every bubble matters.
The mixture moves forward.
This is where Coca Cola truly comes to life. Now comes the fizz.
Carbon dioxide is infused. Billions of bubbles form instantly. That signature sparkle begins.
Exact pressure is critical.
The drink starts to glow. Carbonated cola rushes forward.
Ready for bottling.
Every sip begins here.
This is what gives Coca Cola its unforgettable taste.
Bottles start as tiny plastic pieces.
Heat softens the plastic. Air shapes the bottle instantly.
Perfect shape in seconds. Robots move at incredible speed.
Cooling locks the structure. Defects are eliminated instantly. Thousands appear at once.
They move toward filling.
And look how strong they are straight off the line. From tiny plastic to iconic design in seconds.
Now the bottles are filled. Dozens fill at once. Precision is unmatched. Fizz reacts instantly. Speed is unbelievable. Errors are instantly detected. Nothing is wasted. They move to sealing. Thousands per minute.
This is where mass production meets perfection.
Caps arrive in bulk. Each bottle is sealed tight.
No leaks allowed. No leaks allowed.
Perfect alignment every time. Machines ensure accuracy. Tracking codes are added. Final checks happen fast.
Recognizable anywhere in the world. Legendraad.
Now packaging begins.
Bundles are sealed.
Robots handle heavy loads.
Perfect stacks are created. Storage is massive. Logistics in motion. ready for global delivery. Orders are organized. Shipping worldwide.
From here, Coca Cola reaches every corner of the planet.
Consumed across continents.
From beaches to kitties.
Always within reach. Production never stops.
"24/7 operation."
Refreshing every time. Perfectly satisfying.
From factory to your hand, it's a global masterpiece.
Billions served. One legendary process. Every grain of sugar is accounted for. Purity is maintained round the clock. Only perfect batches move forward.
No interruption is ever allowed.
Every bottle starts with a perfect preform.
Hygiene is absolute.
Every seal is verified. Consistency across billions of bottles.
Sustainability is part of the process.
And tomorrow, it all begins again.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.